Hey guys, SchmidtProjects again, now with a very short tutorial on how you can make a very nice rocket launcher shooting effect. So just follow me. Do this here with much more, so that you have 10 in a row or something like that. On top. Now onto your rocket launcher. Looks quite nice, huh? So this here at the end, and now a rocket. So you have now give it one of your troopers. So now you have a clone trooper firing rocket launcher. In my opinion, it looks damn hot. Yeah, that was it again. And yeah, please rate and comment and feel free to ask what you want to know. I'll answer everything if it's not stupid. So bye bye, and we'll see us again.